that you will never know. On a flight to a place you will never go. Clouds pass while I'm staring out my window. I think of problems in the past and just let them go. Cause as I fly through the troubled sky, I wonder why does it seem that we live to die. Some people try to hide how they feel inside. Same thing make you laugh, it can make you cry. Cause people lie, but a lie can't last forever. We all know them suckers hate to see you doing better. So through the rain, let your smile be your umbrella, and let the sun shine bright, brighter than ever. Just remember when you smile and they all frown, cause whenever you fly high they wanna shoot you down. I got my feet on the ground, my head in the clouds. They wanna see me fail, but I can't stop now. Ticket to the moon. I told my mama and my girl I'd be leaving soon. I kissed her on the cheek and told them I love you. I told the stars in the sky to make room. Just think of me whenever you see the sunrise. I want it bad, you can see the pain in my eyes. But pain is love, love is pain in a disguise. So keep your mind off the bullshit and on the prize. So many lies on the path that I've flown. I say the best way to fly is on your own. Now I'm on the road like a rolling stone, living a life as a famous unknown. So long to the rain and the cloudy days. Now it's clear skies, sunshine and better days. Yeah, and when you need time to get away, just spread your wings and fly away. Taking off, look at how they stare at you. They wanna know how you fly without a parachute. They wanna know how you live with no spacesuit. Just grab a hold of my hand and let me take you to a place that you probably never been to. I'm talking mile-high clouds in the living room. Yeah, I can't remember how I got this high, but I'm so goddamn fly, I kiss the earth goodbye. Yeah, and now my spirit's high, higher than they ever been. Why you think I got wings on my Letterman? Things I couldn't do before, now I think I can. Frequent flyer miles, boy, I'll probably never land. Whether the brightest day or the darkest night, I love the freedom and the thrill of the flight. Yeah, so when shit ain't what it seems, let your dreams be the air beneath your wings. Dream killers say, we ain't never coming down.